Welcome to the next chapter of India's UNESCO Heritage Wonders. From the mighty forts of the north, we now journey deeper to lands where stones sing, rivers guard ancient kings, and forests breathe with a wild soul. Karnataka, where empires once ruled the Deccan. In Karnataka, the ruins of Hampi rise like poetry carved in granite, echoing tales of the powerful Vijayanagara Empire. Not far away, the monuments of Pattadakal stand where Chalukya artistry met sacred geometry. And the divine Hoyasla temples, Beluru, Halibeedu, Somnathpura shine like sculpted lace in stone, a tribute to devotion, detail, and dynasty. Tamil Nadu, where the sea meets stone. On the shores of Mahabalipuram, temples stand facing the waves, centuries old, yet eternal. The group of monuments at Mahabalipuram celebrates Pallava mastery in rock and rhythm. Further south rise the great living Chola temples, Brihadishwara temple, Gangaikonda Cholapuram, and Airavateshwara temple, still alive with worship, still glowing with Chola pride. Telangana, a temple that floats in history. In Telangana stands the Ramappa temple. Every sculpture here feels like a story, frozen mid-dance, a marvel of Kakatiya genius. Odisha, the chariot of the sun. At Konark, the sun temple rises like Surya's celestial chariot. 24 wheels, 7 horses, and legends engraved in stone. Here, time is not just measured, it is worshipped. West Bengal, where mangroves and mountains shelter heritage. In West Bengal, the Sundarbans National Park whispers ancient secrets of tigers and tangled roots. And high in the hills, the Darjeeling Mountain Railway winds through clouds, a cultural icon on tracks of nostalgia. Assam, the land of rhinos, rivers, and royal tombs. In Assam, the wild heart beats in Kaziranga, home to the one-horned rhinoceros. The lush Manas Wildlife Sanctuary guards nature like a sacred oath, and the moidams of Ahom kings stand as earthen pyramids of memory, where history rests beneath the soil it once ruled. Sikkim, where mountains touch the sky. High in the Himalayas, the Kanchenjunga National Park blends culture, myth, and mighty peaks, a land where nature and spirituality walk as one. And with this, we complete our journey across the south, east, and northeast of temples carved like dreams, forests roaring with life, and mountains that kiss the heavens. But India's story is far from over. In part 3, we move to the west and remaining northern gems, from the deserts of Gujarat to the wonders of Maharashtra, where heritage stands bold, timeless, and unforgettable. Stay tuned, Bharat has many more tales to tell.